Camera zoom. 1x to 3x digital zoom is achieved by the Hasselblad camera with 24mm format equivalent. 3x to 7x digital zoom is achieved by the medium tele camera with 70mm format equivalent. 7x to 28x digital zoom is achieved by the tele camera with 166mm format equivalent. In normal photo or video mode, tap 1x, 3x, and 7x on the right side of the screen to switch between a series of zooms. In normal video mode, tap and hold the zoom button on the screen and drag up and down to adjust the camera zoom. Use 2 fingers on the screen to zoom in or out. Or you can use the camera control dial of the remote controller to zoom in or out. In normal photo or video mode, you can enter Explore mode to achieve continuous zooming.